Are you feeling stuck in life? Do you think success is only for the lucky ones? Think again. Today, I'll share with you a powerful story about a young man who had nothing but built everything with pure determination. Stay with me until the end, because this story might just change how you see your own journey. Now let's dive in. In a quiet village surrounded by green hills, there lived a 25-year-old young man named Jake. He had big dreams and a strong desire to build a better life for himself and his father. Mark, a hard-working car mechanic. One cold evening, Jake sat outside his small house, staring at the stars. "I want to give us a better life," he whispered to himself. "No money, no shortcuts, just fire in his heart." The next morning, he told his father about his dream. Mark smiled and said, "Big dreams start with small steps. Nothing comes easy." Jake began searching for a way to earn money. He noticed that people in the village always needed fresh bread, but the nearest bakery was far away. That's when an idea hit him. "I'll sell bread." But he had no money to start. So Jake went to the city and approached a bakery owner named Mr. Anderson. "Please," Jake said, "give me bread on credit. I'll sell it in my village and return with the money in a week." Mr. Anderson hesitated, but something in Jake's eyes made him trust him. Jake returned to his village with bags of bread, stood in the park and shouted, "Fresh bread, free samples." By sunset, he had sold everything. He returned the money. Mr. Anderson was impressed. "You're honest? Come back tomorrow," he said. Day after day, Jake sold bread, walking for miles, always smiling. After 2 months, he bought a second-hand cart to carry more loaves, and customers said, "Why don't you bake the bread yourself? You'd earn more." The idea scared him, but Jake knew it was time to grow. He asked Mr. Anderson to teach him how to bake. At first, Mr. Anderson refused, but Jake didn't give up and finally, he agreed. Jake woke up at 3 a.m. every day to learn. The dough was too sticky, the oven too hot, the bread terrible. Felt like quitting, but then he remembered his father's words. Nothing comes easy. He kept trying. Weeks passed. His hands grew stronger, and finally, he baked the perfect loaf. He turned a small room at home into a bakery. He worked day and night, slowly building his dream. Then a new bakery opened in the village, modern, flashy, with big discounts. People left Jake's bread for the new shop. His heart broke, but he didn't quit, asked his loyal customers, "How can I improve?" He redesigned his cart, upgraded his packaging, and offered better deals. Slowly, people returned not because his bread was cheaper, but because Jake cared. One night, disaster struck. Fire damaged his bakery. Everyone thought Jake would give up. But the next morning, he stood in the park with his old cart and some loaves baked in a neighbor's oven. "Fresh bread," he called. "Thank you for believing in me." The villagers were moved by his courage. They helped him rebuild, donating tools, money, and time. Months later, Jake reopened his improved bakery. At the ceremony, the village mayor said, "Jake's journey teaches us that real success takes patience, grit, and heart." Jake smiled and told the crowd, "Nothing comes easy. You will fall. You will fail. You'll feel broken. But if you rise one more time than you fall, you win." And that's how Jake's bakery became more than just a place for bread. It became a symbol of hope. If Jake's story inspired you, share this video with someone who needs hope today. And remember, your dreams are possible, but nothing comes easy. Like, comment, and subscribe for more motivational stories that will lift your spirit and push you forward. See you in the next video.